Hi everyone, we are Connect and we are here to empower your digital confidence. So, you open up a private tab, turn on dark mode, clear your history and assume you've vanished into thin air. But here's the uncomfortable truth, you aren't invisible online. Most people believe private browsing shields them from tracking, but in reality, your internet service provider, target websites and network admins see almost everything. Even a simple photo you post online can reveal your exact home address through hidden file data. Welcome to The Invisible User. In this private web browsing guide, we're pulling back the curtain on digital footprints that you leave behind every day. We'll break down Incognito Mode versus VPN, reveal what digital metadata is, and walk through 3 step-by-step techniques to lock down your real-world privacy. So let's dive in. Let's start with the biggest myth in privacy, Incognito Mode versus a VPN. When you open a private or incognito window, your browser displays a dark theme and tells you your history won't be saved. Sounds great, right? But here's what Incognito Mode actually does. It only cleans up your local device. It wipes your search history, form entries and temporary cookies after you close the window, so someone physically picking up your phone can't see what you've looked at. But what does it leave completely exposed? For one thing, your IP address. Every site you visit still sees your unique network fingerprint. Your network operator, your ISP, your school or employer Wi-Fi admin can still log every single domain name that you request. And trackers and advertisers. If you log into Amazon, Google or social media while incognito, your session instantly links back to your identity profile. To hide your network traffic and mask your identity across the broader web, you'll need a virtual private network or a VPN. A VPN creates an encrypted tunnel between your device and a secure server, substituting your real IP address for one owned by the VPN server. Bottom line, Incognito protects you from people sharing your device, whereas a VPN protects you from people watching your network connection. If you want more personal help with this kind of thing, head over to the Connect website. Over there, you can discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials. Now let me show you something even more stealthy, digital metadata. This is data about data. Every digital file you create, documents, audio clips, and especially photos, comes with invisible embedded code detailing how, when and where that file was created. In photos, this is known as EXIF data, exchangeable image file format. Notice those coordinates right there. If I paste those exact numbers into Google Maps, it drops a pin directly onto the exact bench where this picture was taken. If you snap a picture of your cat at home and upload the raw file to a forum, blog or messaging service that doesn't strip metadata, you've just broadcasted your home address and your cat to the entire world. So here's how you scrub metadata clean before sharing files online. On Windows, right click the image, go to Properties, Details tab, and then click Remove Properties and Personal Information at the bottom. You can either choose to save over the original or create a copy with all the personal information removed. On macOS, open the image in Preview, go to Tools, Show Inspector, click the Information tab in GPS subtab, then click Remove Location Info. On mobile, go to your phone's camera settings, toggle location tags or precise location to off on the camera app. So how do you verify if your connection is actually masked when you're browsing? Let me walk you through checking your digital exposure. We're going to use a website called dnsleaktest.com to ensure that when we turn our VPN on, our location has changed and no queries are linking back to my original ISP. So here I am, not using a VPN. Obviously I've blurred out my own IP address and hostname, but I can confirm that they are correct and TalkTalk is my network provider. Now, when I turn my VPN on, the result changes. If I was experiencing some sort of DNS leak, my local details would show up alongside this Reykjavik VPN that I'm currently running. So if your DNS leak test returns server names belonging to your home internet provider while your VPN is on, that means your connection is leaking. Always ensure your VPN software has DNS leak protection and a hardware kill switch enabled, so traffic immediately stops if your secure connection drops. To recap your modern privacy playbook, number 1. Use Incognito Mode strictly to prevent local tracking on shared devices. Number 2. Always strip EXIF metadata from photos before uploading raw files to the web. And number 3. Use a trustworthy VPN whenever you connect to public Wi-Fi networks or want to shield your IP from network surveillance. True digital privacy isn't about hiding anything illegal, it's about retaining control over your personal identity, physical location and sensitive data. If you want to dive deeper into practical security setups, software recommendations and step-by-step hardened configuration guides, visit our central How to Stay Safe Online resource hub, linked in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and add this video to your own advanced security playlist to stay updated. Thanks for watching, stay safe and stay invisible.